We're gonna make Concord grape juice from scratch. How do you know when the grapes are ready? When you walk out and it smells like grapes, that's when they're ready. Grapevines need pruned, so I'm gonna do this at the same time I'm harvesting the grapes. I'll cut the vines down to the ground, then we'll process the grapes. I used to prune at a different time, but this is pretty efficient this way. Then we'll pick them off the vines. If you don't prune hard, you won't get good grapes. I'll typically cut half the plant off each year. They're a lot easier to pick from down below. All the other critters love these, like these yellow jackets. I'll let the chickens eat all the ones that have dropped. We'll wash them all up. Now that they're washed, we'll pull the stems off. Heat it up on the stove and mash it up. Transfer the grapes into a bigger bowl so we can keep cooking more. We'll put it into a colander and pre-sift the juice. This will get a lot of the juice out, and then we'll use a Foley mill. The Foley mill will separate the skins and the seeds from the juice. When you make grape juice like this, you cannot buy it this good in the store. You could also make wonderful grape jelly with this. If you didn't cook it, you can make wine, which I do quite a bit. We'll pour the juice into a pitcher. Oh, that looks good. Smells incredible. Now that's real grape juice.